We're use CEP to actually as a competitive advantage of showing our customers the knowledge that our inside and outside staff have as they pass the CEP test. We're trying to advertise it out to our customers so they know the value of our people to them.
One of the things in electrical distribution I think that's been a shortfall is just trying to mentor outside salespeople. And the CEP program seemed to be a program that maybe we could use to develop to find out the level of expertise of our outside sales team, and also use as a development program to bring people up into the outside sales role and to help develop them and let us know when they're ready to be an outside salesperson.
I see it becoming a minimum requirement as we've developed it more and more for all of our staff to even obtain certain positions within the company. If they want to become an outside guy, they're going to eventually have to pass this as one of their requirements to become eligible for those positions. But it's actually started a groundswell even with the employees. More and more of them are interested in doing it. They're realizing the first go around it wasn't so easy, as a couple have actually failed it. But I think that's made their competitive juices flow more, so they want to pass the test now and they see more value in it.
And one of the things I felt was pretty important, because I looked at it and I did like it. One of the things I felt was important is that I would participate in it myself just to find out what it's all about. So I went through the preliminaries on that and then took the test myself to see if it's something that we could use.
It seems to be our more experienced people that have passed it so far. The people that haven't had the most experience, if they haven't taken it seriously and studied for it, they haven't passed it. And I think the biggest thing I've seen is probably an acceptance of, you know, hey, this is something more, this is an accomplishment.
It's a pretty comprehensive program. It was probably a little more difficult than I expected it to be, but that's good because before you put somebody in a role, or you have somebody out there that's been in a role as an outside salesperson, you want to know that their competence level is to the level you need it to be.
I think it's going to become a standard out there for people to show that they've completed the necessary requirements for a job. I can see the day when almost every outside salesman needs a CEP, or he's at a disadvantage to any other outside salesman. I think it's important even how NAED is promoting it with the NECA and IEC contractors, or the contractor market, because they're going to see value of it. I think it's similar to them going through the apprentice, journeyman, and master stages for an electrician. That's somewhat what CEP is going to be for the wholesaler in some of those positions.